Hi, welcome to another tutorial from How To's. Today we'll be going through how to install, download and use the Setel app. So Setel is a e-wallet that you can use to pay for any Petronas pump in Malaysia. So first you need to download the correct app. You can also use our link on the description below to download the app. After downloading, the installations and the registration is pretty straightforward. Click on register to enter your details. Feel free to use our voucher code which is listed on the description below. You can then complete the registration by entering the tag code that is sent to your number registered. So once you have done registering, you will need to create a PIN. So you will need to use this PIN whenever you use Setel app to pump your fuel. So do remember your Setel PIN. Next you need to turn on location and the setup for your account is complete. We will then proceed by depositing some money into the Setel wallet. Click on top right corner. Proceed by clicking top up. So you can select a few amount to top up. You can top up with the credit card, debit card or online banking. So for this example, I will be using a credit card to top up. So I will first select 20 ringgit to top up and I'll select a debit credit card. The top up process is pretty straightforward. It's similar to online shopping. So you will have to key in your card details and there will be a tag process in the end. The balance would then be reflected into the Setel e-wallet once you have done the top up. So once you have some balance in Setel, it's time to pump some petrol with this e-wallet. Setel will automatically display the nearest Petronas to your place. So to choose and confirm the Petronas that you are going to, just click go to station. It will auto load the Google map or your Waze, whichever you set as the preference, and it will bring you to the location. Do take note that only the petrol station listed inside Setel supports payment via Setel. So once you have reached the station, Setel will then show which exact petrol station that you are at. So you will have the option now to purchase fuel. To start purchasing fuel, click on purchase fuel. The safety guideline will then be displayed. So you should only use Setel from inside your car. There are no need to exit your car to pay with Setel, so everything can be done with the app. Click got it to proceed. You will now have the options to select whichever pump that you are at. So do make sure you are selecting the correct pump. Then you can select the amount of fuel to pump, or you can choose the full tank. So key in the PIN that you used when you registered. So Setel will automatically connect to the pump. Everything is done online. There are no need to go to counter. You can then start fueling with your designated pump. Setel will then detect your fueling process. It will show you the progress of your fueling. Once the fueling process is completed, the Setel will also notify you that, so you will get to see how much you have pumped. So it is that simple to use Setel. Do give us a like and hit the subscribe button if the video has been informational. Thank you and have a nice day.